Hello everyone, it is Andrea, and today marks the summer solstice, the longest day of the year, and it is just shy of midnight. Pardon the delay, but as soon as I woke up a little bit late because my family is adorable and sweet and let me sleep in if I don't wake up on time. But today starts summer in the Americas on the northeastern coast, and I have made it a point that every single second of today, up until midnight, that I'm going to use it for the good. What have I done? I've connected with loved ones. I've laughed. I smiled. I reminisced. I got emotional. I got happy. I got to spend quality time with my family. I got to do some amazing activities. School has just let out over here, and it's just been amazing. It has been an amazing start to the summer. And also, the midway point, if you will, to the second half of 2022. And ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves because I am so super excited about all the activities that I'm finishing up, that I'm engaging in. And I'm so happy for my family of their achievements. I mean, each and every person in my family has literally stepped outside their comfort zone, whether it be family of my loved ones and my close knit family in house, or if it was family across the borders and across the waters. Milestones, memories, and magic is being created. And I am so excited to share this with you. Now, come July 1st, 2022, will be my 600th YouTube video, and I cannot wait. I have to think of something to do. I'm kind of toying with some ideas and some notions, but we will see what is in store. Because I feel that if you, although I truly live by planning life according to you, every now and again it's fun to do something spontaneous, something to be out of the norm, something to be kind of unexpected. So we'll see what happens in a couple of days when that occurs. But I wanted to take a moment and say I am super happy today. I have stepped the first level of going full disclosure on a little bit about my story on social media. I have spent quality time with my loved ones for this amazing summer day. I have celebrated my wins and I've shared amazing laughs, tears, and stories with everyone today. And I thank you for any of you that have connected and reached out to me. It is truly amazing. I am in the midst of kind of creating new content, figuring out what other topics you want to hear on a level that is near and dear to you if I haven't touched on it. It was funny, I connected with one of the servicemen and they were like, so I've been watching you and I support you and I really commend what you're doing. That's what it's about. When we take time to recognize those that we care about, those that may just need that extra support, extra love, extra recognition throughout their day. That is what it's about. It's about us sharing the laugh, sharing the love, sharing the motivation and inspiration that really gets you going. I feel like the past few days, especially since the weekend, I'm still kind of recouping from getting into a schedule because I've just really kind of took my foot off the gas for a little bit. Not to quit, just I needed to kind of breathe before I would take myself down a downward spiral of exhaustion or anything of that nature. And so I wanted to kind of just take a moment for myself, go off grid, And that's what I encourage you. If you feel stressed, overwhelmed, anxious as we approach the summer months, as the craziness is going on in the world, within your family, within your job, within your network of friends, take a moment. Go off grid and just unplug for a bit and reset. It's just absolutely amazing. We are beginning the summer months, as I mentioned, over here in the Americas. And whatever season, make sure it's the best. And I was having this conversation this afternoon. It doesn't all have to be about splurging. It could just be an amazing staycation. Take a few days to straighten up your home and just stay home and make it a serenity space. Light up the fire pit, or I know this is crazy, but I've seen people do it. Take out your barbecue and just put it as a fire pit. Get a little speaker. We all have like little Bose systems or speakers, or even our phone's quality at this point. Put it on the back deck or the back porch and just listen to music. It's the universal language, and it can take you anywhere in point of your time during your life. And just embrace and enjoy nature. Enjoy the people around you, your fur babies, your friends, your family, or even if it's just taking a moment to ground yourself and be with yourself. Take that moment. Get preparation for the new season, a new era, the second half of 2022. Remember, it's about you. Let me know what you're doing for the second half of the year. I look forward to connecting to you, and I cannot wait to hear your stories. I thank you for your support, and know that I am here bringing you daily content every day. These night videos are a little exhausting as I'm a little bit tired, more tired, as well as somber moods. But I'm doing what I can. I have been literally working myself pedal to the metal, and today, I think this week a little bit, I'm taking a little bit more slower. Not to put any effort, but just kind of winding the gears down and making sure I get back and ready to blast off, like I said, in the next couple of weeks. So I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. You could be anywhere, and you chose to pray here with me, and I'm grateful for that. Again, my name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, certified motivational speaker under the mentorship of the legendary, official Dr. Les Brown, and your accountability coach, bridging the gap from where you are to where you deserve to be and exceeding your fullest potential. No judgment, no excuses, just results, walking beside you every step of the way. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.